How's it, guys? Ben again from Bulldog. Today we're going to be showcasing and testing these two Hsutech die grinders. As you can see, basically it's the same machine. One's an extended spindle and the other one's a normal die grinder. So this machine's obviously for those hard to reach places to get in with a burr or with like a mounted shaft flat wheel. They both have 6mm collets. You can put a reducer in here and use a 3mm as well. They both run at 22,000 RPM and have got an airflow control. So you can adjust, technically you can adjust the speed if you want to. We're going to use the tungsten carbide burs and the shaft mounted flaps on them so you can see what they can do. Okay guys, that was both of our Hsutech die grinders that we showcased for you. Remember, don't forget please to like and subscribe and leave your comments below if you liked what you saw today. I'll be seeing you the next time.